Hi, I'm Zara Ahmed. I was referred to Manny, who's a direct response copywriter, and he was referred by one of my colleagues who's a nine-figure copywriter. So I wrote the sales page, but I just felt like it wasn't hitting the mark. So I thought that maybe a professional copywriter would do a better job than me. So I reached out to Manny. And what he did was he critiqued the copy and rewrote the whole entire sales page, um, which made it so much easier for me. So when I asked him to critique the copy, he also actually sent a video to me to break down his critique and his feedback. So I can understand why he did what he did. So I think that his understanding of the target market and the way he emphasized with them was so brilliant. So we just had like a few corrections and he mended it fast. Personally, I loved the way he didn't oversell and position the beach body. So also he was actually super fast in communicating and delivering the project on time. So if your sales funnel isn't converting well and you want to make your copy emotional and visual, then book Manny before someone else does. I would highly recommend him.